We are also joined by our special guest, Dr. Piyush Joshi, who's a senior consulting physician at the Chaitram Hospital and Research Centre, MP. And he has been, remember viewers, treating COVID patients since March 2020. Many thanks, Dr. Piyush, for joining us. Certainly a massive breakthrough as far as vaccination for the country is concerned, where the Serum Institute of India has now been given a go-ahead by the SEC.
Thank you very much for having me. Indeed, it is indeed a massive breakthrough. This is something that we have been waiting for since the time this COVID havoc has been wrapped upon us or the mankind as such. And let's keep our fingers crossed that it is the 1st of January of a new year. So a very happy new year to all my fellow Indians. It's a big breakthrough indeed, one we have been waiting for a very long time.
Absolutely. In fact, Doctor, the entire dry run that is all set to happen tomorrow across the country also comes at a very crucial time. If you can make our viewers understand the importance of a dry run right before and the official vaccination is rolled out in the country.
Dry run is kind of a logistic test, you see, because it's such a mammoth task. It's just like a pulse polio program. You remember that in pulse polio program, there used to be a cold chain maintenance, and we see that at each and every stage, there used to be a vaccine vial monitoring program. There used to be a cold box. So it's just like that, because it requires a regular fridge temperature. Like any other vaccination, it requires a cold chain to be maintained. So we are able to assess through a dry run where the fallacies in the system are, where the cold chain sanctity is being breached. So all these kinds of logistical issues we are able to determine through a dry run. So that's why a dry run is important, so that there are no false vaccinations, so that the vaccine sanctity is maintained, the vaccine integrity is maintained, the cold chain is maintained, and we are able to vaccinate the people so that appropriate immunity is generated in their body. So that is why the dry run is of utmost importance, and it is what we require as of now.
Absolutely. Dr. Joshi, another question to you. We have seen another strain of the UK's COVID that has also been reported in the country. Now a total of 29 such cases have been reported in our country as well. How some people might also question the efficacy of the vaccination now that another strain of the coronavirus do you see as a concern when it comes to vaccinating people?
Look, we have to go by the word that the vaccine companies are giving us. They are saying that their vaccine is efficacious against the newer strains as well and different strains as well. If it comes to that, then we have to take them at their word, because we have no way to check as of now whether the immunity works against the newer strains or not. The virus is mutating really faster. But if the companies are saying that the immunity is there and the newer strain will not be able to affect the mass scale population on a very large level after the vaccination program, it is going to generate a herd immunity. We have to take them at their word. But there will be some doubts, indeed, till the time appropriate herd immunity is generated and we see the response. Look, this is not a normal vaccination program. A normal vaccination program where the vaccine has been tried and tested over a period of 4 to 5 years. This is a vaccination program in the time of a big pandemic, an unprecedented pandemic that we have never seen before. So the vaccine has been made in over a period of 1 year maximum, and phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 trials and a rollout. All that has been achieved in a phenomenal period of 1 year. So you just can't compare it with a routine vaccination program. This is a vaccination program in a hurry. This is a vaccination program that is required, and I just hope, and we all hope, that this vaccination program is a big success.
Absolutely. Dr. Piyush Joshi, many thanks for joining us here on Republic TV. Certainly a momentous occasion for our country. We are moving a step ahead in this vaccination breakthrough as well.